Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can resolve the issue of the Windows 11, Windows 10, and the issue is of the laptop battery draining too much fast. So how you can resolve that? So simply just don't worry. In this video, I will show you how you can fix the battery draining issues permanently and improve your laptop's battery life instantly. So follow these simple steps. The first step is that open the settings, go into system section and just click on power and battery and just turn on the battery saver mode. After turn on that mode, you're just going to third step. Third step is that go to the background apps and disable unnecessary ones. If you don't know how you can disable the apps, simply just right click on the taskbar and just go to task manager, and you see that the background process and the apps which are running on the background. If you don't need that app, just like that, WhatsApp is working in the background, so I don't need that, so I'm going to right click and just end this task. So right now that way you just have to just disable it and just remove and end the task from the background. And the fourth step is that in the device manager, check for display adapters or driver updates, it's working or properly or not, and also update it. If you don't know how you can update the driver, simply just right click on the start button and is going to the device manager and see the option of our device adapters, and right click on the graphic UHD graphics and update the drivers from here. After that, open the command prompt. If you problem want to solve, after that, open the command prompt admin panel, just like that. Right click on the start button and it's going to terminal admin. Just right click on that and yes it, and it's minus it, and you see the option of a powercfg, that prompt which will also available on the description. Just copy that and just have to paste it on that paste anyway, and observing system behavior and check that how is power is working properly or not, if you have to replacement the battery or not, just like that. So adjust display brightness and also sleep settings for better performance of the laptop, just like that. I'm going to the battery settings and you see the option of a battery brightness. If I'm low, my battery drain too much low. If I go to high, my battery drain is too much fast. That's why you have to adjust the settings. Also, if your battery is low, you just have to just click the energy saver option on. So that's it, all the settings you have to follow it to fix your issue. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming solutions of the Windows problems from our subscribers.